Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to screen record Amazon Prime Video. This is incredibly useful if you want to create content reviews, share movie recommendations with friends, or capture specific scenes for educational purposes. Let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser. Once it's open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three dotted lines. Click on those dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you into the configuration area of your browser where we can make some important adjustments. Now that you're in the settings menu, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see various options listed there, but what we're interested in is System. Go ahead and click on System to access the hardware and performance settings of your browser. This section controls how your browser utilizes your computer's resources. Within the System settings, you'll need to locate an option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This is a crucial step because graphics acceleration allows your computer's GPU to handle video processing tasks rather than relying solely on your CPU. Toggle this setting on. By enabling this feature, you're ensuring smoother recording quality, the ability to capture higher resolution video, and significantly faster video encoding and export times. These improvements make a noticeable difference when you're recording video content. After toggling that setting on, you'll see a button that says Relaunch. Click on Relaunch to restart your browser with the new settings applied. This step is necessary for the changes to take effect, so give your browser a moment to close and reopen. Don't worry, your tabs and sessions should be restored automatically. Once your browser has relaunched with graphics acceleration enabled, it's time to move on to the actual recording process. Open the recording app you plan to use for capturing your screen. This could be OBS Studio, Camtasia, Bandicam, or any other screen recording software you prefer. The key is to have it ready and configured according to your needs. With your recording app open and ready, start the recording. Most recording software will have a clear record button or hotkey you can use to begin capturing your screen. Make sure Amazon Prime Video is visible on your screen, then navigate to the content you want to record. From here, you can use this workflow for creating demo videos, training materials, or any other content that requires screen recording from Amazon Prime Video. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your browser for optimal screen recording performance and learned how to capture Amazon Prime Video content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.